Ever felt your tiny screen just isn't enough? Squinting at blurry text or missing details in games? Juggling tabs, losing focus, and straining your eyes? I've been there, especially working remotely or gaming late. But what if you could carry a cinema in your pocket? Meet the VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses. Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. These aren't your average smart glasses. Imagine a jaw-dropping 152 virtual screen, anywhere. Ultra-sharp 1200p display, even clearer than VITURE Pro. Text is razor-sharp, images pop, colors are stunning. And yes, it's brighter than your future. 1000 nits. The 52-degree field of view? Total immersion. Whether you're gaming, working, or streaming, it's unreal. No more fighting glare or sunlight. Electrochromic film darkens lenses with a single tap. Optional lens shade for those extra bright days. Comfort? Absolutely. Flexible arms, ergonomic nose pad. Available in 2 sizes for the perfect fit. All-day wear, no pressure points, no headaches. Style? These translucent frames are next level. Dynamic RGB lighting matches your vibe and mood. Sync colors to your game or productivity mode. Coming soon, fully programmable lighting effects. Audio, Harman experts have you covered. Deeper bass, crisp highs, immersive sound. Perfect for gaming, music, or calls. And check this, world's first real-time 2D to 3D conversion. Turn any video or game into a 3D adventure. It's like magic. Seriously, you have to see it. Productivity, triple your workspace instantly. Up to 3 screens from your Mac or PC. Edit, code, stream. No more tab chaos. Horizontal, vertical, or code mode, your choice. Compatible with iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Steam Deck. And yes, it's the first XR glasses for Switch 2. Paired with the world's first XR controller. Official partners, PS Play and XBX Play. Gamers, this is for you. Myopia? No problem. Adjust focus up to 4.0D. No prescription inserts needed. Just twist and go. If you need more, magnetic lens frames are available. Let's see how it works in real life. I'm connecting to my laptop. Just plug and play. The virtual screen appears instantly. So sharp. Switching to gaming mode, look at those colors. No lag, no blur, just smooth 128 action. Turning on RGB lighting. Now it matches my setup. Adjusting the nose pad for comfort. Easy. Activating electrochromic film. By reflections. Trying 2D to 3D conversion. Wow, it really works. Audio test. Bass is deep. Voices are clear. Switching between devices is seamless. From gaming to spreadsheets in seconds. No more cluttered desk or tangled cables. On the go, use the Pro Mobile Dock. XR experience for Switch 2. Next level portable gaming. Spacewalker lets you multitask like a pro. Multiple screens everywhere, anytime. Battery life? All-day use, no worries. Lightweight design, feels like regular glasses. Wearing them outdoors? No problem, super bright. Back inside, dimming adjusts automatically. Need prescription? Adjust on the fly. No more swapping glasses or squinting. Style, comfort, and tech, all in one. Perfect for gamers, tech lovers, and remote workers. Ready to upgrade your screen game? Click the link in the description to get the best price on Amazon. Experience VITURE Luma Pro XR glasses today. See, hear, and play like never before. Check them out now. Your eyes will thank you.